You know, the district is so out of touch with the community. They're smooth-talking politicians, but they don't solve real problems. At their new high school, Oak Hills High School, January, forecasts a whole week of rain, heavy rains. There's a big lake out there overflowing and flooding out residents. And the residents around there are looking out there and their sprinklers are going, watering.
Yeah.
Their sprinklers during the summertime, watering. And when they're watering, the water shoots almost clear across 2 lanes of paved road. That's costing thousands of dollars. Okay, the reason why I'm going to be different than most people on that board is because I'm retired, I don't have a business. I'm going to go in there, I'm going to look at every little thing that the administration's doing that's going to impact the students and teachers in the classroom. And I'll be there every day if it takes. That's why I'm different than the others. And I'm not going to rubber stamp things just because, well, let's get it done and get it out of here.